Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about some amazing projects of DevOps that you can add to your resume, your projects like college projects like into the final year. There was lots of question the friends were asking for me, just provide us some projects related to DevOps, full stack, and these are the series I will be showcasing some of the projects that you can add to your create at your college level, and you can add those particular projects to your resume also, which can enhance your project and which can enhance your resume and your some more technical skills also. So this is a part one for the DevOps projects also. So I have three projects with me. I will be showcasing this particular links to in the description box also. So where you can go and you can do the step by step. Everything is there, code is already being there. So first of all, the project is all about deploy high scalable secure three-tier infrastructure on AWS with Terraform and GitHub actions. So nowadays what generally happens if we talk about the automation world, so we deploy generally things on through the AWS cloud and we do everything manually. But this world now, the industry is more towards about the transforming towards the automation world. So what we have to do, we have to just write the code and we have to just click and apply it or create everything for us, each and everything for us. Okay, so let me just show you the scenario of three-tier architecture. Basically we have a certain security groups, like this is generally a VPC. We have routing tables, we have routers, we have internet gateways, then we have security groups where our instances get launched, and this is our private subnet, public subnet. These are the two subnets we generally have. Okay, so what we'll be doing, like we will set up two EC2 instances. One is public and another will be have a private. And to enable software update for private, we will implement a NAT gateway into the public subnet with elastic IP. And if you want to access this private, so we have to connect with to the public and we have to do the SSH part, net gating, net gateway part. And for the additionally, we will be creating RDS instances running like progress into the private subnet and accessible only for EC2 instances. So here all the steps, step by step things being there, step one, step two, what all those step by step things we are going to configure. And after steps you will also find the like all the codes been there onto the GitHub from 0 to DevOps 0 to Hero series. You will find this is a code for the whole project, AWS projects, and you can just implement and you can just follow the step by step approach and you can uh, implement this particular projects. Okay, so coming to the second project we have, that is continuous build and deploy Python web app on AWS with GitHub actions. So now what generally happen nowadays, when you are a developer and you push continuous small changes but building the things and testing the things, it might take 2 to 3 days along for us. But right now what we have been doing, we have been using automation tool, like we have CI/CD pipeline, generally use like Jenkins, AWS code build, AWS code command, that certain kind of things. Okay, so all those things we are going to use into this particular project. So we have already a Python web page, and you will what we'll be doing here is CI/CD, that is continuation integration, continuous deployment, build and deploy every code changes. So what it's generally happening, there is a developer which is pushing the code to the GitHub repository, and from GitHub repository it is building the code and it is pushing to the ECR. ECR is nothing but elastic container registry, where all the registry, all your Docker Hub files are been getting saved. Okay, like same we have Docker Hub also, where your all the repository images are being get stored. Okay, by the GitHub actions we are going to deploy with the use of GitHub actions, or you can use Kubernetes for the simplest easiest deployment. And from the deployment, we are having multiple instances, and from instances we have public IP or subdomain, and we are going to access that particular part. So here all the step-by-step approach been given. What you have to do you have to create first instances, then you have to go to the GitHub, then actions, and everything step-by-step things been there. You will find the code also here. So you can just try this particular code from URN also. So the third project is all about Terraform to deploy AWS Lambda function with S3 trigger. So nowadays what's happened, generally we create a multiple functions with us. Okay, like AWS something triggers happen, something error comes up, so it will automatically triggers and it will give us some about the triggerations, like there's an error coming, there's some 404, there is some bad requests are coming, so you will get to know each and everything. There is a Terraform repository, and if you want some more information, you can just check out this particular blog, and it has given everything, each and everything, step by step pro, how to write, what all this code being used, what after writing the code, what all those commands to apply. You can just go step by step, and you can just apply this particular files. Terraform apply, you have to coming over here. Then there is some data uploadation to the S3 buckets. If you're familiar with to the DevOps world, and if you're familiar good with this all these tools and technologies, AWS Terraform, so this will be a very piece of cake for you. But you have not beginner, you are the beginner, so you can just try to implement at your end small thing. And if you want, if you can just type into the comment section if you want a particular video onto a project, how to implementing the project. So I will also provide all those videos on to this particular project. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will be providing this particular 3 projects link into the description section, so you can just go and check out this particular project and start implementing. Thanks for watching this video.